Hello everyone, I'm life designer Vijay Tushar, and yes, I am going to start this video speaking about the importance of mother and how she is an epitome of unconditional love. आप ये देख रहे होंगे यहाँ पे इतने सारे फूल हैं, तो बिल्कुल एक माली एक फूल को किस तरीके से बड़ा करता है और जिस तरीके से वो टेंडर केयर देकर उसको जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स देते हैं और उसको ढेर सारा प्यार देता है, उसी तरह से मदर टेक्स केयर ऑफ हर चाइल्ड बाय नर्चरिंग एंड नरिशिंग हर with beautiful values which will last for a lifetime, and those values you cannot get from anywhere else other than the life that she has lived. So every moment that a mother lives, she lives for her kids and her family. So we are here with Soulful Connections once again on episode 2, and I'm so grateful to have my friend Minal Mahajani to be sharing the space with me and talking to you about the experiences that we have had with our own mothers, moms and moms to be, and moms with kids and moms without kids, and moms who mean a lot to their family. Just one message before we start is you are valuable, you are a treasure, and nothing can ever replace you. So please take care of yourself. Please give yourself that tender love and care which you give your kids and your family too. Because if something happens to you, your children will be shattered. You are the anchor for your family. So first, you need to take care of yourself and give yourself all that pampering that you give your family members as well. So stay tuned and we'll be back soon. Hello everyone, this is life designer Vijay Tushar, and yes, I am here with my soul connection Minal Mahajani. And yes, of late we celebrated the Mother's Day, and we're supposed to do this video on that day.
we were right, Vijay.
We were, but we couldn't. So here we are, and this is a dedication to all the mothers out there, and my mother and her mother as well. So we'll begin with a small song. कोशिश करती हूँ गाने की.
करो
Let's see. जोल कर रही हूँ थोड़ा सा. ओके, सो कभी कभी आपको गाना नहीं आता तो ये एक टेक्निक है, सीख लेना. तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, तू कितनी प्यारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ. बहुत अच्छा गाई.
ऑफ कोर्स बीजी, जब माँ की बात आती है, द सॉन्ग एंड वाइब्रेशन दिल से ही निकलते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली,
So
बोलना
that is
नहीं
how
पड़ता,
it is.
कुछ कहना नहीं पड़ता. मैंने कोशिश किया कि भाई सुन के गाओ, पर ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, है ना. तो हम उसको बाजू में रख देते हैं और आज हम बात करते हैं माँ की इम्पोर्टेंस के बारे में. सब जानते हैं कि माँ बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, पर कभी कभी ऐसा नहीं लगता कि हम माँ को टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड. जब हमको ज़रूरत है तब हम उनके पास जाते हैं और जो उनसे चाहिए वो मांग लेते हैं और वो दे भी देती है खुशी खुशी से. बट जैसे हम उस पर हक जमाते हैं ना, इस तरह का करते हैं. बट शी नेवर फील्स बैड अबाउट वॉट वी आर डूइंग बिकॉज शी इज़ ऑलवेज देयर फॉर अस. सो आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है?
मेरी एक जॉइंट फैमिली थी.
Correct.
और जैसे मेरे पापा गुजराती थे एंड माय मदर वाज साउथ इंडियन. मेरी दो चाचियों में से एक वाज अ गुजराती एंड अदर वाज अ गुजराती कन्वर्टेड इनटू क्रिश्चियन.
ओके.
तो एक बहुत ही अलग टाइप का माहौल था एंड वी वर 12 पीपल इन द सेम हाउस.
And 12 people in same house.
Yes. And we were there for 22 years. And my mother was the eldest. तो मैंने एक बचपन से देखा था, एंड माई फादर वॉज द एल्डेस्ट ऑल्सो, बचपन से देखा था कि शी हैड मेड फैमिली एज द सेंटर।
ओके।
और बच्चे एंड सबका शी न्यू, हर एक जन का, बड़ों का छोटों का, व्हाट आर देयर टेस्ट, हाउ व्हाट दे वांट, एंड शी नेवर कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड। और वो बोले कि नहीं, पहले वो लोग। एंड देन अगेन आई केम टू अ फेज वेर आई हैव सीन हर इवन, कहे तो उसकी जो इच्छाएं थी, डिजायर, पैशन, लिविंग दैट, बट दैट वाज post 1992. So
अच्छा।
till the age of 22 I have really seen her कि एक ऐसा के give totally to the family, family is center. So वो चीज़ मैंने काफ़ी देखे, and that is why maybe
Is it because of that you decided to be a home queen?
yes, one was that reason, because I had seen like she was so happy doing that.
Right.
ऐसा कुछ कभी there was no regret, no repentance के अरे मैं ये भी कर सकती थी. And in fact, to tell you, she was before marriage employed with Mahindras, where she had met my dad.
अच्छा.
And when he said I need a person who can look after my house because he had lost his mother when he was 11. So she was ready to do that.
Do you ever feel that ये उन्होंने गलत किया या उनको ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, उनके खुद के टैलेंट्स के बारे में भी सोचना चाहिए था, एंड मे बी शी कुड हैव एक्चुअली टेकन हर सेल्फ with her talents, which she's doing now. Definitely she is a founder of the NGO.
Yes.
Isn't it, what's the name of the NGO?
She was a president of the AIWC, All India Women's Conference.
Okay.
Yeah, and she was even given a President's Award for the best Seva Karta.
Wonderful,
yeah.
Wonderful, Mrs. Mahajani. Congratulations
Thanks.
on the award that you have got. It's really commendable, where you have made the right choices on in which phase of life you want to explore your own self, and in which phase of life you want to spend your time with your family. Hats off to you, and it's really inspiring to know that women definitely take the choices, and they are right in doing so. So she did discharge her duties as a mother very lovingly, and at the same time she also found out about her own talents. But the space was given separately to each task.
And in fact, I'll tell you, when she embarked on social service or social work, it was post her recovery after she was paralytic. She had a paralysis stroke in 1991, and she was in Nanavati for 6 months. So I'll tell you, the willpower, if I have, it's due to her paralysis. She has broken her spine, and she is a cancer survivor.
Wow, this is amazing. Yeah. This is amazing.
So irrespective of that, you won't believe, when she was going through her radiations, she used to go and conduct the meetings also of AIWC. And the doctors were quite surprised, and no doubt my parents, like rather my father, not parent, my father used to think, nahi, my brother used to think, Bhabhi, we all used to think, Are you take rest. But the doctor said no. This is fantastic because it is her willpower and positiveness which is going to cure her much faster.
Awesome.
So that was it. And another incident was when her spine correction was done. Within a month she started walking. Awesome. And Dr. Bhojraj was like, why don't you come and give lectures to the patients who are here so they can recover faster, because they have this mental block. नहीं हमारा ये हुआ है, हमें बिस्तर पे लेटना है. But she never had that.
That's because she always exhibited, I feel, a victor mentality. Can come what may, bring it on. Like, I'm ready to face it, but I'm not going to stop living.
Yeah,
I think that was her attitude.
Yeah, her
and it's
attitude
amazing.
Was like, whatever be. She never used to say, why me? It was try me.
Yeah, wonderful.
That try me came into us also, a lot into all the three of us.
I know specifically, like, the troubles and the hardships that you have gone through. So this indomitable will that she has gained, that is Minal has gained, is from her mother. And I could say the same for myself as well, because my mom, hats off to her. Like, many times I used to think of her like the epitome of love. Like, she had faced so much of rejections in her life. I'm being very honest about it. and she had to take care of 5 kids, which she did in a real good way. She did in a real good way, in the sense she gave us the values and the upbringing in such a manner that each of us became extremely tough, and we could handle our challenges with great grit and determination. So she took up the charge of building up the financial fund of the family by the savings that she got from the money that my dad used to give her. So she took charge of it, and she was able to purchase a flat so many years back from that savings. And today she is no more, but she has also left a huge savings for all of us.
In fact, BG,
From
I'm
that.
surprised. Like, we have been knowing each other from maybe 12, 13 years now.
Correct.
And I don't think we have ever talked on this aspect. Somewhere
We haven't.
We haven't talked about our moms, or we have seen the influence we have on each other, but somewhere we have never seen that the person who has
brought us into this world. How was she?
Yeah. So maybe this is the right time. Yeah.
Many times in counseling, when I have the parents bring their kids, I tell them, पहले ना मुझे आपका counseling लेना पड़ेगा. So they say, हमारा क्यों लेना पड़ेगा? So I said, पहले तो हम जब ये मूल का, when we check the roots only, we will come to know what the fruits are.
Oh yeah, very nice, very nice. But still I feel ना many a times, like what happens is, we feel नहीं ठीक है चलो मम्मी है तो चल जाता है, चल जाता है. So that चल जाता, sometimes don't you think is too much to?
No, see, we were not aware of their importance. At least I was not that aware. It was like taking for granted. So after I lost her, I understood the importance of her. In fact, a little earlier than that. Yes, that was a disturbance from no, not a disturbance.
वो माँ की याद आ गई.
Yes, मेरा बेटे का कॉल था कि मम्मा व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, एंड थोड़ा सा हमारा झगड़ा जैसा हो गया था. सो आई वांट टू टेल अबाउट दिस एस्पेक्ट कि अभी मुझे पता चलता है कि हाउ माई मदर यूज टू मिस मी, बिकॉज now when I'm missing my son, because he's busy in his world doing what he likes, and I feel कि वो मेरे से थोड़ा सा दूर चला गया है. So I realized the same state which my mom used to tell me, you don't have time for me, you don't have time for me, and I'm realizing that I'm using the same dialogues for him. So I realized it is so difficult to let go, क्योंकि जब हमारा बच्चा छोटा होता है, that the child is your world. करेक्ट. तो उसको छोड़ना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है, बट देन एज ही ग्रोज, टुडे ही इज एन अडल्ट, ही हैज हिज ओन लाइफ, एंड आई शुड अलाउ हिम टू लीव इट, बट आई फील सो लॉस्ट विदाउट हिम.
That is, I think, lot of times many women face this generally.
Yes.
I feel that is also one of the cause of depression at times in women.
Yes.
Because that vacuum gets created.
Correct.
And they don't know how to cope up with that.
Exactly.
That emptiness syndrome starts off with them. अभी ये जाएगा, ये बड़ा हो जाएगा, कहीं और गया. So
in fact, I was shocked. I told somebody, मेरा बच्चा मेरे हाथ से निकल गया.
I don't tell her. दोनों बच्चे बहुत अच्छे हैं. That is one thing that I can vouch for.
So it was and I was thinking about all this, going back to my mom, and I was thinking like how she used to say, you don't have time for me, you don't have time for me. And I remember that when she got her first paralysis attack, I entered into the ICU after she was taken within maybe 3 or 4 hours, because my sister was there. So she said, you don't panic and come here, I'm here. Okay. So you come afterwards. So by the time I reached there, it was around 3 or 4 hours, and she had come back into her senses. And I entered inside the room, and she said, now you've got time for me. And that somewhere, hit me, because busy with my work as the vice principal of a school, not having time to take leave, because whenever you think of leave, there is one exam or the other exam, and you have to attend to that. So I was very busy with my work, and yes, my kids both in 10th and 12th standard, so tending after them, looking after their studies and all those things. So obviously mummy would come afterwards, but for mummy it was an empty nest. because all her 5 kids had, gone to their own families, had grandchildren. So grandchildren also had grown up. So she didn't have anybody to talk to or, spend her time with. And we didn't have the time to be with her. So it was actually very, now I understand the importance that even if you don't have time, even if you're extremely busy, you must make it a point to go and spend time with your parents and
true,
your loved
true.
ones.
True.
Like how at least we've started spending time because of this video, and every time I come here I feel so recharged, Minu.
Same here,
You know,
same here. It's been like this from 13 years.
Yeah.
The day we just clicked off,
Yeah, that's
from that
it.
day it's like, maybe there was a gap. I remember we did
Yeah.
not meet, and it was in fact a mother's funeral that when I came to know
Yeah.
I was there.
Correct.
I just came to know and I thought, no, this is where I have to be. And
Exactly.
usually I don't go because
Right,
of my
right.
reasons. So that is that one. But somewhere all through the years, BG, it has always been that just a hello also has been enough for us.
I know.
I
It has
think.
been enough for us, and it's like a connection that, even if you're not there, I know you're with me.
Same here.
That kind of a feeling. So we have one more friend. Her name is Jyoti, and we are a Trimurti.
Yeah, that completes. That's a circle completion which we felt when we interacted. We
With
said,
one another.
"Oh, a parent, adult, or child." Tino face came through a circle.
Exactly.
Right, that
I
is-
never realized about it. Like, I am more of the child, she is more of the adult, and Jyoti is like the
parent. She's like a parent. So, yeah, she's like, but she's the sweetest. Very sweet.
Yeah,
one.
I know. I'm missing her.
Yeah.
So, this is how we make connection.